So here's our CarTeck door, and it's great for helping keeping the weather out. But it can also keep what you've brought into the garage in. So you may have driven your nice vintage car on a wet day into the garage and it's dripping water all over the floor, or it could be motorbikes, or you might even have a modern day appliance like a tumble dryer in there. And what you really need to do is to let that humidity out of the garage. And if that's the case, you might want to consider the CarTeck humidity sensor. Now watch this video.